If 2 oranges are selected from T orange in 15 ways, find the value of T. This is the case of combination. You know combination. If you have X combination Y, this one is like X factorial over X minus Y factorial Y factorial. Don't forget that. But in this case, we are dealing with T. That's means T factorial, T combination 2. Of course, according to the question, this one will become T factorial over T minus 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. And according to the question, it equals to 15 ways. So you know factorial. T factorial is 2 times 1. You just multiply by the next number. If you have 3, it's 3 times 2 times 1. 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times up to 1. So from here, let us try something. Let's mean T factorial. T factorial is like T multiplied by T minus 1 and T minus 2 factorial. And that's how it goes. All over 2 minus 2 factorial multiplied by 2. Because 2 factorial is 2. And it's equals to 15. You can cancel out this and this. What you have down there will become T into T minus 1 all over 2 equals to 15. So let us open this bracket. It becomes T squared minus T equals to 30. So the question that we're going to do with here is T squared minus T minus 30 equals to 0. So the question is not quadratic. So you now think of two numbers, and when you add, it will give you this. And when you multiply, it will give you minus 30. The number must come from 30. That means the numbers are now minus 6 and plus 5. So T squared minus 6T plus 5T minus 30 equals to 0. So T minus 60 in bracket plus 5T minus 30 equals to 0. So this is squared. Sorry. So T into T minus 6. And here plus 5 into T minus 6 equals to 0. So T plus 5 multiplied by T minus 6 equals to 0. So for this to be true, either T plus 5 equals to 0 or T minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, T equals to minus 5 or T is equals to 6. If you stop here, you are wrong. You must give us one number. So the number can never be negative. So T equals to 6. And you can verify it and see what is 6 combination 2. Of course, is 6 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. What will we get? Let us do it here. And 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. 6 times 6 minus this is 6 minus 2, 4. 4 factorial times 2. This one and this one will go. What you have here will be 6 times 5, 30 over 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Yes, we are correct. Bye bye. Let us meet